Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the basics are correct so notifications can reach you. Update the console firmware immediately, since many notification bugs are fixed in patches. Once done, test the network. Use wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and run the network test to rule out packet loss. Next, sign into the correct Xbox profile and open privacy and online safety to allow notifications and friend requests. Make these changes now, so the system can receive and display alerts in the next steps. Now you dig into specific settings that control notification delivery. Open Preferences and enable the exact notification types you need: messages, game invites, party alerts, and confirm exceptions for Do Not Disturb are off. Once done, inspect app permissions. The Xbox mobile app and Game Hub need notification permission on your phone and console. Also make sure the console power mode is set to instant on so push traffic is handled. If it's energy saving, notifications can be delayed or blocked. These steps sync delivery across devices. To finish, force a refresh so changes stick. Power cycle the console and your router, then sign out and sign back in. If problems persist, clear the notifications cache or reserved space for system notifications in storage settings. This often fixes corrupted queues. If that still fails, perform a soft factory reset keeping games and apps, or gather network logs and contact Xbox support for deeper diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: test another profile on your console to narrow whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.